I'm going to ask you flat earthers a question. Let's say you were right, and the earth is flat. Live under a dome, so there's no point in looking up anymore, right? What would the world be like? What would you have it if we got rid of all the liars? Because the way we see it is based on math and the stars and literally trigonometry, geometry, and it's based on science and facts and math, right? So we would have to uneducate everybody, leave everybody stupid, not be able to start reading, and then not be able to do any math or anything, because that reading leads to learning math, numbers, etc. And then they find out that mathematically the earth is round. You just can't avoid it. Mathematically, no matter what way you look at it, the earth is round. But we would have to trade all that knowledge for magic, because now to live underneath a dome and floating through whatever, it would take magic, no physics, no math, no nothing to hold this planet together and people on it. And everything we see in the sky is just bullshit. And we shouldn't even look up there. So that's the way it used to be like back in the day. But when we debunked, this flat earth bullshit already. Because in the English times back, a few hundred years ago, those people were not educating their public. It was only the nobles and the important people that got educated and learned math and some science. And, it's just, that's a fact that people couldn't even read. And then they got, a little upset when they wanted to learn, because it all leads up to one thing: facts that you can't face. So what would the world be like? Would we all be just walking around like monks with our heads down, Bibles in our hand? And is that what you would want? No, man. The imagination is a very interesting place. You should try it.